On today's podcast, we'll be talking about the importance of tow motor and lift truck safety, so stay tuned.
Welcome to Warehouse Safety Tips. If you're a seasoned vodcast viewer, this vodcast is going to be different from most that you watch. It's based around exactly what the name implies, warehouse safety tips. And since the people in this industry are busy, we know that time is money, so each episode will be as short and to the point as possible. And now, with all that out of the way, let's get to the vodcast.
Tow motor and lift truck operators are crucial in efficiently and safely moving goods within factories and warehouses. Their skills and awareness directly impact productivity, inventory management, and workplace safety. To ensure smooth operations and prevent accidents, operators should be mindful of several important considerations. Here are some key factors tow motor and lift truck operators should be aware of in factories and warehouses. Equipment familiarity. Operators must be thoroughly familiar with the tow motor or lift truck they operate. Understanding the machine's controls, capabilities, and limitations is crucial for safe and efficient operation. Regular training and refresher courses can enhance their skills and keep them up to date with the latest equipment advancements. Pre-operational inspections. Performing pre-operational inspections is vital to identify potential issues or maintenance requirements. Operators should visually inspect the equipment, checking for damaged or worn out parts, leaks, tire condition, and functionality of safety features such as lights and alarms. Addressing any concerns before the operation helps prevent accidents and ensures the equipment is in optimal working condition. Load capacity and stability. Operators should always adhere to the load capacity specified by the manufacturer. Overloading can lead to tip-overs, damage to goods, and endanger the operator and nearby personnel. Additionally, operators must focus on load distribution and securing loads properly to maintain stability during movement, especially when navigating corners or uneven surfaces. Pedestrian safety. Factories and warehouses are often bustling environments with significant presence of pedestrians. Operators must be vigilant and maintain awareness of pedestrians at all times. Sound the horn or use warning lights to alert pedestrians when operating in shared spaces. Slowing down in congested areas and utilizing designated pedestrian walkways can help prevent accidents and create a safer work environment. Clear visibility. Maintaining clear visibility is essential for safe operation. Operators should ensure that loads, racks, or blind spots do not obstruct their line of sight. Adjust mirrors if available for improved visibility and use spotters when necessary to assist with maneuvers in tight spaces or when backing up. Controlled speed and maneuverability. Operating at an appropriate speed is crucial for controlling the tow motor or lift truck. Speed should be adjusted based on the floor, the load, and the presence of pedestrians or other obstacles. Avoid abrupt acceleration, deceleration, and sudden turns to prevent tipping or losing equipment control. Communication and signaling. Clear communication between operators and other workers is vital to prevent accidents. Operators should use hand signals or audible warnings to indicate their intentions, especially when visibility or backing up is limited. Establishing effective communication protocols among team members can enhance overall safety and efficiency. Awareness of surroundings. When in the driver's seat, it's of the utmost importance that you be aware of everything around you. This includes pedestrians, racks, overhead doors and entryways, sprinkler systems, hanging signs, machinery, inventory, and other vehicles. General safety. Whenever operating vehicles, assume everyone in your path cannot see you. Be sure to sound your horn whenever applicable, keep your forks and load as low as possible when traveling, and always pay attention to everything around you. Now, these tips may not encompass all your facility's rules, but they'll be a great start for operating safely. Thank you for being part of another episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. Until we meet next week, have a great week and stay safe.
Before moving on, here's a word from one of our sponsors. If you've ever been to or worked in a warehouse, you know just how important safety is to both management and staff. It's almost impossible to go 10 steps without seeing safety tape, angles, signs, and/or safety products. It's these items that show us how to be safe and avoid danger in the workplace. And if you're looking for the best products to make this happen, look no further than Mighty Line. Mighty Line floor signs and floor markings offer the best industrial products out there. We're proud to have Mighty Line as the official floor sign and floor marking company for the Warehouse Safety Tips podcast and site. Go to mightylinetape.com/safety tips to request a sample pack of their incredible safety signs and floor markings. We hope you enjoyed this episode of Warehouse Safety Tips. If you visit warehousesafetytips.com, you'll find the show notes for this episode and access to all of our blog posts, previous podcasts, advertiser information, and much more. Thank you for listening to Warehouse Safety Tips and have a safe day.